Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, actually I made different shot from same shooting a lot. Well, I have this subject today and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And well, this time sort of seductive expression, isn't it? Well, that's what can I say? What kind of image it's gonna be? Well, I'm gonna try to make something interesting, something impressive image from this. Well, let's get started. Okay, I have this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, overlay. This is a nice contrast too. Luminosity. In this shooting, well, in this film, I got the pretty much luminosity based image. And this time, I'm gonna use this luminosity image as well. Okay, make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer again, and one over the top. I'm gonna change the blend mode to multiply, then merge down. Okay, now here we got pretty pastel colors base, but these greens, well, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna smudge these grains, take it out. Okay, use smudge tool, evolve. Let's see. I kind of get used to it pretty fast, huh? I think I'm gonna add some general color here, bluer, magenta. Real nice soft pastel colors. Alright, I smudged pretty much. Let me see the details. Some kind of retouching, smooth it out. I think this retouching on faces come from some portrait technique, I think. Smudge it from highlight side. Alright, I guess pretty much done. Okay, I can touch up later. Now, we got nice base image. Pretty nice colors. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate this layer, then one over the top. I'm going to change blend mode to multiply again. It goes a little bit too dark, I think. Maybe color burn is better. Yeah, not too dark, even though the pencil drawing line is pretty heavy, but we can probably soften. Well, let's see, duplicate this pencil drawing type image, then bring this one, go up, then change blend mode to divide. Not much on the overall image. In this case, I'm going to change color burn to multiply. Then let's see divide. It's not much compared to this color burn. I guess this is, yeah, I should leave. Okay, forget about this pencil drawing type. Delete. I didn't make anything from here, just change color burn instead of multiply. Well, second thought, maybe multiply and maybe tone down 70. Yeah, let's just pastel color, let's see. Let me turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. I'm looking for a big C image. Shall I use this a little bit dark color based image or much more darker? Maybe we need this much colors as a base. Well, I'm thinking about to make base image. Do I need so much darkness? This pastel color is nice, I think. Alright, original image, pencil drawing image. Move out to outside of this group and then delete this group. Now we have 4 images. Original pencil drawing type image, then luminosity effect. I just duplicate, change the blend mode. But I think I'm going to use this just a luminosity effect layer as a base. How about make mask? Then move this pencil drawing type image, go over this luminosity effect layer, then turn it on, change blend mode to darken. We can see through underneath of the image. Well, change colors on. Okay, let's see different. Okay, color burn gets a little bit more dark colors. Now I just want to hide some image from here. Now select brush. Well, usually use evolve. I use pretty much, so I want to try different brushes. Let me see this wedge tail. Now I want to add color too. I'm going to add layer. Well, I want to try drawing to evolve. Well, move this one, go up to pencil drawing type image. That was before. Okay, I want to add color, but not this way, Well, about this color, just turn it off. I may use later. Now I'm going to duplicate original image. Now I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to touch color on this. This is same original. Okay, with color balance. Well, how about curves? Now touch gamma. Give it more contrast. Then red. Shadow side less, more highlight side up. And yellow, well actually blue, but less blue means yellow on highlight side. Now on shadow side. Okay, well done. Before, after. touch contrast up on this base image. Then turn on this luminosity effect layer. Now I'm going to use this paint layer. This one I'm going to clear now. Then change brush to airbrushing to medium blend. Then turn on orange mesh. Now I want to paint orange. Then I want to change to, now how about color burn, because sunset light is hitting her, so I want to just add more, emphasize these colors. Okay, now I have this luminosity effect layer. Then turn on this mask, show some, this is color burn. Okay, add here some colors. Let's see, on blue color. No, I'm not going to use this pencil drawing type image. Now I want to add some different colors. Okay, I'm going to add one more layer. Then over this, how about this? Ocean. Elements to ocean. Then painting to watercolor texture. Now I want to use smudge tool, medium blend. Let's see how much it's going to smudge color though. Oh, pretty much. Okay. Nice texture. Okay, now I'm going to make mask. Same brush. This is watercolor. No, you want to use airbrushing to medium blend. Now I want to mask with which brush was that? Wedge tail. I want to add some color. Well, I think pretty much done for this image. Okay, this is my original image. Then I changed the color with curve to make this a little bit contrast up. Color is more warm. Then I add luminosity effect image on pencil drawing type image to combine to the original image to get this, turn it off the mask to get this image. Then over this image, I paint it on, change blend mode to color burn. Not much, you can look at it. Because of this color is color burn, so won't show much. Then I add normal layer to add color. This one shows a little bit more settled colors, sky blue and some magenta and yellowish color with mask. I just mask her models. body won't take the colors. I didn't use pencil drawing type image and luminosity effect layers. These are just duplicate copy of it. I'm not using it. And after that, I made mask to show the original image, which contrasts more, but this much. That's all I want to see. I don't want to show everything. Well, just using this luminosity effect layer as an illustration image. Not all of them. Some of them are this original image. Well, seductive expression, which is nice, but I think this much I want to show. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, showing maybe adding colors for imagination. Well, that's fun. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Nice soft colors, huh? Yeah, nice expression too.